Let's read Kitsy Bitsy's Noisy Neighbours. What lovely homes in Parkview rise. Those who live here truly prize this modern block with great location, handy for the shops and station. But still so peaceful, oh, so quiet. No one here would cause a riot. Honky Tonk and Hunky Dory live up on the topmost story. Tonk's a singer, quite the diva. Dory is a muscle beaver. Together they are the best of mates. One threads scales and one lifts weights. Tra la 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 la. And 1, 2, 3. Dory jumps. Tonk hits top C. Their thumbs and high notes travel down. Two tippy toes. They make her frown. Her baby really needs a nap. The noise has made his big ears flap, and now he's bowling. Boo hoo hoo. He's heard below by someone who is working on his latest book. Smart Alec finds his typing nook is not a place to write with feeling when there's wailing through the ceiling. He gives up with a heavy sigh and starts instead on DIY. His power drill goes judder, judder, making everything shudder, and swings a light that's down one floor. So, Rocky Locky cuts off more than she meant to from Big Wayne, leaving only half a main. As Rocky tries to fix the crop, her scissors fly. They sculpt and chop. Big Wayne wakes slowly from his dream, looks in the mirror, gives a scream. His roar blows all the scraps of hair. Out of the window through the air to float down gently till they land on Sugar Plum's enormous stand of fresh baked buns and sticky cake. Left there to cool, a big mistake. Now tears stream down his cheeks and snout. And Plum tips all his pastries out. Cookie crumbs and icing go rain down on Fiddle Faddle, who is on her balcony to mend a broken scooter for a friend. All the jammed up parts get jammy. So does Faddle double whammy. But on the ground floor of the block lives someone who round the clock can sort out problems and disputes. Kitsy Bitsy wears big boots. And sensing trouble in the air, she frowns and pushes back her chair, walks out her door, climbs every flight right to the top to find the fight. There's growling, yowling, yelling, crying, buttercream and sprinkles flying. But Bitsy's made of steely stuff. She lifts one eyebrow, says, Enough! Straight away the neighbors halt. They start to shout, "It's not my fault." But Bitsy says, "I just don't care. How this began you have to share. Be thoughtful, kind, or all of you can find new housing at the zoo." So, Babies rocked by hunky dory. Alec tells a sleepy story. Fiddle Faddle helps replaster all the DIY disaster. Sticky mess is washed away by Tippy's trunk on power spray, while Tonk asks Wayne, with his loud roar, to join the band on their next tour. And Rocky goes from home to home collecting eggs, milk, honeycomb. Till Plum has all he needs to bake a marvelous good neighbor's cake. And everybody has a slice, agrees they will be as quiet as mice. But not just yet, it's a much more fun to dance and sing with everyone. And neighbors, friends together, forget, forgive. For there's no place they will rather live. Good night. Sleep tight.